Welcome, today in front of me Huawei P50 Pro, and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. So first we should go into the settings application, and now just tap here to the home screen and wallpaper. Here you'll see the always on display section. Tap there, and just to turn on the AOD, tap once on the switcher here, and now we'll check. So as can you see, always on display feature just turned on our Huawei P50 Pro. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.